Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
So guys, in order to prepare my flaxseed conditioner, so this is my flaxseed. I will be measuring half cup of it, and these are my cloves, and this is my rosemary leaf. Okay, so I'll take you through the process. So this is half cup of it. There we go. And approximately 15 sticks of cloves. And this is my rosemary leaf. Here we go. These are. And so I'm gonna put half liters of distilled water. So here we are here. So I'm gonna boil this for about 20 minutes, okay, until I feel like it's thickening. If you want to keep boiling, that's okay. If you want to use it like a gel, good and fine, because it's gonna be thicker and thicker and thicker. Alright, so let's keep boiling. So far you can see that it's ready, and I'm about to take it out. So I'm turning off the fire, and I'll let it cool off. But before I let it cool off, I need to extract the water first. Okay, so we'll take a look. Remember, you have to strain this when it's still hot. So that's it. If you don't strain it when it's still hot, you might as well lose everything. This is going to stick together.